Hello everyone. Today we gonna run tests of our new iteration of the miniRaman spectrometer that we call operator. We call it operator for a reason. It should survive operation underwater, in field tough conditions, like being stressed, if you drop it. Let's enjoy doing all of that right now. For this show we have Marcus.
Hello.
Serves as operator. Yaroslav.
Hi.
He will do the testing. And Alexei, also for testing here. And also the key player of this show, the spectrometer. So let's explain the situation. It's currently connected through Bluetooth, you can see, to this laptop. And you see a live spectrum on a screen. So there is no sample, but we see a spectrum, the blue one, of the inbuilt polystyrene as a reference. For people who follow our development, you know it's our core IP. And then Yaroslav, give us some sample.
Sure.
So we show you what's gonna happen if we place some liquid. You see, red spectrum is strong now, and it's some type of chemical. Let's check what is this chemical. So I will press a button on miniRaman. It shows us, you see the same spectrum profile here on the screen. I press one more time. It does the measurement. And it should identify it. Wow, danger. Thank you, Yaroslav. Thank you. As methanol, 100% correlation. Great. Now, Yaroslav, give me one more time the liquid. And please turn on the laser again. So, for our reference, we're gonna save the methanol.
Laser is on, and now
Laser is on, capture.
do the measurement.
Good. Great. Thank you. Take the sample. So now it's greenish, which means it's in the memory of the laptop. And we're gonna remove this probe. Yaroslav, could you help me to take it out? And now, like that, we will try to do all variety of testing. And then after them, we will measure methanol again and see if it's not misaligned. So our success criteria for this testing, the spectrum of methanol after the testing should be more or less at the same amplitude and peak positions. And also during the testing, we will always monitor the inbuilt reference channel, which is like you see approximately between 4 to 6 digits in this range here. And it should be at the position of 1000 inverse centimeters. Yes, here. So we will monitor that as well. Okay, so let's start doing something. How about dropping it in the water? Laser works. How about our inbuilt reference? Also 5 digits, great. Doesn't shift, works really good. Let's take it out. And Yaroslav, could you please hold the camera? And I will do a little bit more stress. So what we're gonna do now, we have 1.2 meters of water in this tube. Let's throw it inside. And it's still transferring the data. Gets inside. Very deep. It's there. Yaroslav shows the screen. So we just make sure it's still good, and it's good. Okay, let's take it out. Nice. Yeah. How is the signal? You can see it's within the same range. And when you see this oscillation, so jumps on the screen, you see it's just when I towards it to my hand or something, it's the main channel is jumping, but the inbuilt reference is quite great and stable, and no obvious reasons to complain that something is wrong with the device. Also, you may note that it's Bluetooth connection. So water obviously prevent transmission of Bluetooth waves. Sometimes we may have lose few frames when it's in the water. Okay, so the stress testing. We try to do something like that. Still works. You look on the screen, data transferred, connection is not lost. So electronics, optics is great. Very nice. We can do more fun stuff with it. Yeah. Good. We can see all the same. Fantastic, but drop test, we know it's from 1 meter, 29 times. Let's just do a little bit, you know, more power to it. So we are for sure good. How's it now? Let's see, this red, it's saturation from the main. You don't look at that. You see it's a little bit more than 5 digits. The blue channel, so it's all great. And now finally, Yaroslav, give me the probe.
Oh yeah.
So we check if we still can get as much signal from the... Oh, look, the red one. It's even slightly stronger. But you know, it's all focusing issues, so I can always get it the same or stronger, depending how deep I am in. Okay, so let's collect it again. And you will see, yeah, you see, not noticeable the difference at all. So it's a fantastically great performance, but how about the identification accuracy? Let's say if you can show it. We press, identify, we see spectrum of methanol on a screen. One more time. Methanol, 100% correlation. Fantastic. So this guy is fine to deal with the stress and with the water danger. Thank you everyone for your attention.